In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on early access in Google Workspace, and we'll do it together in just about 5 minutes. Google Workspace is a fantastic suite of tools, and getting early access to new features can give you a great edge. Whether you're a business owner or an IT administrator, looking to keep your team ahead of the curve, turning on early access is remarkably straightforward. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through this process step by step. First things first, head on over to Google Workspace. If you're not familiar, this is where you'll manage everything related to your organization's Google-based applications. Once you're there, click on the admin console. This is where you'll be able to make adjustments to all the settings on your domain. After that, you'll need to log in using your business email. Simply enter your credentials and click Next. Make sure you use the account that's associated with your Google Workspace administrator privileges. Next, we're going to navigate to the Google Apps menu. You'll find this at the top right corner of your screen. It can sometimes appear as a grid-like icon or as a drop-down menu, depending on the version you're using. Click on it and then find the admin icon. Click on that to open up the main admin section. Once you're inside the admin area, look for the section labeled simply as Apps. This is where all the applications and services associated with your Google Workspace account are listed. Click on it and you'll see a comprehensive list of apps that you can manage. Here comes the crucial part, look for additional Google services. Click on that and scroll through the list until you find the early access option. Clicking on early access will open up a new window showing you the settings related to early features Google is testing. If the interface you see looks a bit different, don't worry. Google updates its design from time to time, but the core steps remain the same. Now you'll want to turn on the service status for early access. There will likely be a toggle or a button that says turn on or enable. Click it and you're almost there. After doing this, it's always good to double check that the toggle has indeed activated. Finally, to ensure that everything is set, remember to click the Save button. This step is crucial. Without saving, all the changes you just made will not be applied. Once saved, congratulations, you've successfully turned on early access for your Google Workspace. This means that your team can now explore new tools and features Google is rolling out ahead of the broader public release, and there you have it. Enjoy having that exciting edge with early access. Stay curious and explore these new tools as they come, and remember to share any handy insights you discover with your team. Thank you for tuning in and see you in the next video.